Welcome to AEHelp.com's IELTS test preparation videos. So, you need to sit the IELTS exam and you want to get high band scores. In this lesson, I will give you a step-by-step strategy so that you can maximize your learning and your scores. Again, we have partnered with Skillshare, a world-class platform that lets you choose from hundreds of different skills, all taught by professionals. Whether you want to improve your writing or communication, you can do this through Skillshare and explore your creativity by choosing a course that's right for you. I have been using Skillshare to enhance my photography and videography skills, and so far, I'm loving it. Skillshare has given us a special link which you will find in the video description below. The first 1,000 people to sign up via my link can try Skillshare Premium for free. Skillshare costs as little as $10 a month when you sign up for an annual plan. Now watch and learn. Your very first step when you sit your IELTS exam is to decide whether you need to do the academic or the general version of the test. It's very important that you choose the right version. Usually for university, you need to take the academic IELTS, and for immigration, you need to take the general version of the IELTS. Before you begin your studies, check with your place of application and be 100% sure that you're taking the right version of the exam and you're studying for that version only. This is why we have created two unique websites, one for academic, aehelp.com, and one for general, gieltshelp.com. While it is true that the speaking and listening sections of both versions are the same, there are significant differences in the reading and writing sections which require different types of strategies. So firstly, make sure you're choosing the right version of the exam, and then find materials that are specifically designed for that version. Once you have figured out which version of the IELTS you need, the next step is self-assessment. You have to know what your current band scores are on the IELTS exam. IELTS has band levels from 0 to 9, 9 being an expert user of the English language. IELTS has 4 different modules: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Each of these are marked on the 9-point scale, and then you have an overall band score on that scale. You have to sit down and do a full practice exam, just like the official test, which means that you need to do the listening, reading, writing in 2 hours and 50 minutes. And then with a short break, do the 12 to 15-minute speaking section. Once you have completed your practice exam, which you can also find on our websites, then you can mark the listening and the reading sections by looking at the answer keys. You will find a score calculator on our websites where you can calculate your band scores for these sections. In order to learn your bands for the writing and speaking, send your writing and your speaking recording by email to us using this email address, and we will give you a score estimate. Okay, so now you know your band score for each section and your overall band score. It's time to make a study plan. Now that you have assessed yourself for each of the sections of the IELTS exam, it's time to make an effective study plan. You have identified your strengths and weaknesses. For instance, you may have scored a band 7 in your listening, but only a 5 in your writing. so you know that you have to invest more time and energy into improving your writing skills. As well, be sure to learn at least 5 new words each day to improve your lexical resource. Ideally, you start your studies at least 60 days before your official test. This means that if you're learning 5 new words each day, you will learn at least 300 words by the time you sit your exam. I have included this link also in the video description for a vocabulary list with tips and strategies on how to learn these words effectively. Importantly, you must get feedback on your studies. When you're doing your writing and practicing your speaking, you have to get the opinion of your peers and teachers in order to improve quickly. It is not a good idea to just jump from one material to the next without understanding your mistakes and how to improve those mistakes. You can find professional editing and speaking services in your My Student account on our websites to help you with just that. As well, you can find template 30 and 60-day study plans included with your My Student account. I strongly recommend reviewing these and implementing these as needed. Watch videos, do exercises, read. These are important steps. Now, you create your study plan. Know how much time you have each day. Hopefully, you have at least 2 to 3 hours to dedicate daily, 5 days a week, before your IELTS exam. Now you know which version of the exam to take. You've assessed yourself. You have created an effective study plan. It's time to pursue. Do not leave for tomorrow what you can do today. Do not procrastinate. It's very important that you put in the time each day, at least 5 days a week, to reach your goals. Remember, practice makes perfect. There are a couple of strategies to help you with this. First of all, find a study partner, somebody who can keep you on your toes. This can be a sibling, a friend, or even a parent. Join a class, whether it's an online learning platform like our websites or a physical classroom. It's a good idea to join an education system which will make sure that you study regularly. Remember, IELTS is not simply an ESL test. It is also designed for native speakers. It's an English proficiency exam. This means that you have to improve both your English grammar, vocabulary, and your communication. You have to be persistent and you have to use your English as much as possible, day in and day out, every day. To keep your brain fresh and to be full of energy, it's a good idea to regularly exercise. Whether it's some jogging, walking, or swimming, this will help you to stay focused and pay attention in your studies. A healthy body is a healthy mind. It's not just about how much you study, but how effectively you study. If you have any questions about your IELTS exam, about strategies, do not hesitate to contact us. In your My Student account, you will find a contact button to get in touch with us and get answers quickly. Begin your studies right away, and good luck the next time you sit your IELTS exam. I took the official IELTS exam in Budapest, Hungary, and you can now watch my Band 9 IELTS journey exclusively on our websites at aehelp.com and glshelp.com when you sign up for our premium package. In this series, you will see me register for the exam, get prepared, take the test, and receive my marks with some feedback. I give you strategies throughout the series to maximize your scores. Begin learning with us today. To see many more video lessons like this one, as well as original practice exams and a fully interactive course, visit and join our premium package at aehelp.com. It's a one-time payment for lifetime access. Begin learning for success today. Subscribe to our channel. Click over here. Watch another video. Click right up here. And click our IELTS Hero to join our premium package and get access to all of our videos, practice exams, and a fully interactive course.